Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete your profile photo in the Discord app on your PC. If you're looking to remove an old picture or simply want a fresh start, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see the familiar interface where you can connect with friends and join various servers. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon, which represents user settings. Click on this gear icon to open up your account settings. Once you're in the user settings menu, look for the section labeled My Account. This section contains all the information related to your profile. Click on the Edit button next to this section to proceed. Next, focus on your current profile picture. Click on it to reveal the options available for managing your profile image. This will allow you to make the necessary changes. Now, you'll see the option to Remove next to your current image. Click on this to initiate the removal process. Discord will typically ask you to confirm that you really want to delete your profile photo, ensuring you don't make this change accidentally. After confirming the removal, the image will be deleted from your profile. Finally, remember to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your updates take effect. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your profile photo in the Discord app on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips.